Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradetoWin.com. We're going to discuss something a little bit different. I'm going to show you the RoadMap software today. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So the RoadMap software and the way that the RoadMap idea works is that there are a number of buyers compared to a number of sellers at any given point in time, and the market is a zero-sum game where there has to be the same amount of buyers and sellers in order to exchange hands and for the trades to occur. There's no middleman or middle person that holds on to a trade. It's one buyer for one seller. And so the roadmap offers this opportunity to look at when the market reaches an area where there's going to be more buyers than sellers or more sellers than buyers. There's usually a stoppage point where the market stops moving higher or stops moving lower. And so we have here the roadmap, and this example here is indicating to go short because as soon as the market reached this roadmap zone, it stopped because there's a huge amount of selling pressure. Now there's more that goes into this. It's a method, it's a system that allows you to take a counter trend trade, and also if the market trades in between the zones and goes from zone to zone, from here to here as an example, it's the same thing. The market is breaking one zone and going to the next. So the idea here behind the roadmap software and the method itself is to know when not to trade as a filter, and also to maybe take trades as it goes from zone to zone. This software is included with Mentorship, and it's very specific to how we look at the markets. It works on the E-mini S&P primarily, but it can be adapted to other markets as well. If you want to learn more about trading, visit DayTradetoWin.com. Subscribe to the DayTradetoWin YouTube channel, the next mentorship class where we cover all of these methods with lifetime licenses for the software.